Yung 5 letra na lagi nilang nababasa. Sige, type nyo lang. Papalitan namin yung from C to champion. Kampiyon na ng mundo ang Aurora Gaming Philippines. 4-0 mga pre.
World-class performance.
Oh my
From
goodness.
jokers to winners.
Men, finally.
Finally.
Mamimili ka lang kung anong sige.
Men, finally.
Diba?
May kampyonato na rin si Yue.
Yue!
Ganun din naman si Domeng.
Pangalawang M-Series na ni Edward. Very well deserved. Against all odds, against all doubts, against all allegations, Aurora stands tall and shines the light to the world as they seize the win.
Importante pa rin talaga na stay hydrated. Parang
Stay hydrated,
nagulat
pre.
ako doon.
Inom tubig, inom
Na
tubig.
para bang ilang segundo ago lang naging kampiyon ka ng mundo. And kompleto na rin ang trifecta for the Raiders. For Demon, Kite, and Light. What a monumental victory for the whole Aurora. Grabe, nakakaiyak. Kasi ang tagal nilang pinagplanuhan.
Yeah.
Ang tagal nilang hiniling na one day kami naman. At ito na nga yung moment na yun. But now we say goodbye sa Alter Ego.
Props to Alter Ego.
Props pa rin, props
Muna ito ang panahon para makuha ng Indonesia ang kampyonato. At sa Aurora Gaming, tungo muna tayo sa ating main
They
stage.
fell one step short, but they earned the world's respect tonight. Once again, thank you so much to Alter Ego Esports. And ladies and gentlemen, the champions of the world, the Northern Lights, Aurora Gaming Philippines!
From last year's setbacks, the Auroras return to the world stage with lights shining brighter than ever.
The world has seen you rise. Now let them see you claim what is yours.
Boys, Aurora Gaming Philippines. You may lift your trophy in a count of 3. Gather around the trophy. In 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Aurora!